Hello everyone, welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of pineapple farming. Pineapples are not just delicious and nutritious fruits, they are also relatively easy to grow and can be highly profitable. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to start your own pineapple farm. Let's get started. First things first, selecting the right variety of pineapple is crucial. There are several varieties, but the most popular ones include Smooth Currant, Red Spanish, and Queen. Each has its own unique characteristics, so choose one that suits your climate and market demands. Pineapples thrive in well-drained, slightly acidic soil with a pH of 4.5 to 6.5. Start by selecting a sunny location and prepare the soil by tilling it and adding organic matter like compost. This will improve soil fertility and structure, ensuring your pineapples get the best start. There are 3 main methods to propagate pineapples, using crowns, slips, or suckers. Crowns are the top part of the fruit, slips grow at the base of the fruit, and suckers are shoots that grow from the base of the plant. Plant them about 12 to 36 inches apart in rows with a distance of 36 to 60 inches between rows. Ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Pineapples require moderate watering. Too much water can cause root rot, so make sure the soil is well drained. Water the plants once a week, more often in dry conditions. Fertilizing is also essential. Use a balanced fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium every 2 to 3 months. Supplement with magnesium and iron if necessary. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and suppresses weeds. Use organic mulch like straw or leaves around the base of the plants. Regularly remove weeds by hand or use an appropriate herbicide to ensure they don't compete with your pineapple plants for nutrients. Common pests include mealybugs and scale insects, which can be controlled using insecticidal soap or neem oil. Diseases like root rot and fruit rot can be prevented by ensuring proper drainage and avoiding overwatering. Regularly inspect your plants and take action at the first sign of trouble. Pineapples are usually ready for harvest 18 to 24 months after planting. The fruit should be firm, plump, and have a sweet aroma. The skin will turn a vibrant yellow color when ripe. Use a sharp knife to cut the fruit from the plant, leaving a small portion of the stem attached. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to pineapple farming. With the right care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious pineapples. Whether you're growing them for personal consumption or commercial purposes, following these steps will set you on the path to success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more farming tips and tricks. Happy farming!